so you all are probably wondering why I asked you here, right? Yes. Yeah, bro. Yes. Well, today we're gonna have a Nerf gun fight. Woo! Oh, bro, so just like Call of Duty, right, bro? Yes, Black Yoshi. Yes, Yellow Yoshi. It is just like Call of Duty. Woo! I'm in, bro. Except it's in real life. Woo! All right, so what we did is we put the dads in one team. Yes, dad team. Dads are red. But I'm not even a dad. Shut your mouth, Mario. You are in some other series of some other channels that I'm not going to mention right now for copyright. Stop breaking the fourth wall, Dad. Oh, fine. So really, me and Squirrel are going to be on a team. Yes. Shut up. Nobody cares about you. Why have I always got to be discluded? Yoshi and Donkey Kong on a team because you like things that are yellow, right? Bananas. Close enough. Yeah, bro. I like that Call of Duty. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we have all these Nerf guns over here. Oh, I picked this, yeah, bro, I picked this. Shut up! We're going to equally divide them into each team. Come on, bro! Alright, so I'm gonna go divide those right now, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so as you can see, I have given you each an actually good gun and a garbage gun. So, yeah, the dads got the best gun, but they also got the worst gun, the bow and arrow. So, yeah, it's a sacrifice. So, are y'all ready? Yes! Yes, bro! Yes! Yes! Nobody cares about you. Alright, now y'all have to find a hiding spot in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the wars begin! Oh my god, man. I'm so ready. So am I, but I don't know why I got the best gun. I pretty much suck. It's alright. Back, folk, I got the sniper. And I got this weird big gun. Yeah. Dang it, why did I get that crappy one, Pikachu? Shh. It's because I'm better than you. Right, bro, I'm gonna snap him. Ow! Ow! Holy bloody crap! Ow! 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 Shut the heck up! You're getting us out! Shh! 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 Oh my god! Just lay low. Just lay low. All right, we don't need you. Fine. If they want to surprise attack me like that, then so be it. Bro, that was such a good shot. You know what I mean, fam? You know what I mean, bro? Ow! Ow, bro! We need to get those fools back. I don't know if it was them over there or them over there, but I'm gonna get them anyway, folks. Donkey Kong, can you do it? Oh, I guess. Then do it. All right. Right then, I guess if they want to take a shot at us, then so be it. You know, man, this worked really well, actually. I'm really surprised. Ow! Ow! Mother fricker! Oh, it's on now, boys! You're getting it now! Oh no, it's at war now. We're going to go get those fools. I just gotta go sneak over here, and I gotta go, hide over here behind these four-wheelers, and I can get a perfect shot at them. Oh man, we're gonna win this war for sure. I'm so excited. Oh.